This is a 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner that you can use to clean your car. This is the bag it comes with, and this is like the inside of the box. You can use these things to change the nozzle to have a different use for it. You have to hold it for 3 seconds for it to start. This is how much progress we've gained in a few minutes. I bet you guys could have done a lot better if you took a little bit more time. This is how much leaves and dirt we gained from it. If you guys would like to purchase it, the link is down below.